Hi everybody, this is your PED-110 LN12 instructor Brian Kaprowski. I want to create this video to go over the assignments that are going to be due next week, as well as the exercise log that you will need to complete. So first, as always, let's go over those assignments here. So a real easy way to access the syllabus, I included here in this tab here. And this would be the preferred method for you to view the assignments in the class. So click on the syllabus, and I want you to scroll all the way down to the bottom where you see the course calendar. Okay, this is where I want you to go off of in order to see what is due each week. Okay, as you can see, on September the 29th, your Concept 2 will be due. So all the assignments listed in Concept 2, as well as the Concept 3 assignments, and then your first exercise log. Okay. So as you know, to find those concept modules, you would click on course modules. You can see Concept 2, click on that, complete all the assignments listed there by next Wednesday. Okay, you can see there's a quiz, there's a discussion board, and there is where your exercise log 1 will be, which we will go over here very shortly. And then Concept 3, which is also going to be due next Wednesday. You can see there's a quiz on the stages of changing unhealthy behavior, and you're going to do a maximum heart rate and training zone lab listed here. Okay, so let's go over the exercise log. I have it already pulled up, but again, as you recall, it's located in Concept 2 folder. Okay, so this is what the exercise log is going to look like. Okay, and you can see here, each exercise log must contain at least these items. So these numbers correlate with these questions down here. Okay, so let's go over number 1. You're going to list 2 SMART goals. Okay, what's important about the SMART goals is they have to be related to health or fitness, and you need to include a time component. So let's say my goal is to run a mile in under 10 minutes for this week. So I would write, I want to run a mile with under 10 minutes by the end of this week. So make sure that the end of the SMART goal includes a time component, and you should always state at the end of each SMART goal for this class, at the end of this week. Okay. Next one here for question 2, you're going to include at least 10 activities performed over 5 days. Okay. So you're going to need to start that here probably tomorrow at the latest. And so I'm going to need for you to pick activities that you can do. So these activities can include walking, jogging, biking, yard work, housework, weight training if you participate in a sports activity, games, hiking, exercise routine, yoga, stretching. All those can be included. What I don't want you to include is what you do at your job. Okay, so this class is related to health and fitness. I need you to do fitness-related activities to count for this. Okay, remember, 10 activities performed over the course of 5 days. And I need for you to list the date that you performed it, the name of the activity, and the length of time. And remember, the length of time has to be at least 15 minutes. For question number 3, I need you to record your calories consumed over the course of 5 days. Always include the date and the calories that you consumed during that day. For question 4, you're going to record your body weight for at least 5 days. And for that, just find the scale, weigh yourself for 5 days, include the date, and record the pounds that you weigh. The final one here for question 5 is you're going to record your body fat estimates here. Okay, I need you to do that as well for 5 days, the date and your body fat estimates. So I have a URL here, which I will open. It's a body fat calculator. So what you're going to do, you're going to open this up and you're going to select male or female, depending on your gender, your age, and then you're going to leave that here. It should always state estimate for BMI. BMI stands for body mass index. You're going to put it in your height and your weight, and then you're going to click calculate. Okay, so this can vary day to day based on your weight. So make sure that whatever weight that you are recording that day, you are putting that here in this box. So that's going to change your body fat from day to day. Okay. All right. So that is everything that you will need to complete on the log. Again, please start this log tomorrow. If you have any questions or concerns about next week's assignment or this exercise log, please feel free to shoot me an email and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you have a great week, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.